Hello, foxes, and hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our Zero Fox Given Mondays. I am Tina.
Hello, I am Zai.
Hello, andito naman po tayo sa isang magandang episode with the Fox Tribe.
Yes, mga maganda kasi tayo kaya magandang episode talaga ito.
So true. So what do we have today? So ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin sa Fox Tribe? Sa Zero Fox Given Mondays. We will be sharing to you one of our favorite DXN product. So iba-iba yung aming favorite na DXN product for the day. Sa araw lang na ito. Yun lang yun. Kasi bawat araw, iba-iba yung favorite namin na product ng DXN. So today, we'll just be sharing isa.
Ako muna.
Sige, ikaw.
Okay, nag-prepare ako ng spirulina pero nawawala. May isang batang kumuha. So, buti na lang. Mayroon akong extra. Today, my favorite drink is lemon tea, of course. Because I don't really drink mga mixed, mga juice, chuchu, mga iced tea na mga nasa Tetra Pak or nasa supermarket. But this one, si lemon tea, ganyan ba yung pang-vlogger? Ano ba yun? Okay, this one, I like it. Kasi it's not too sweet and it tastes like real lemon and it has Ganoderma extract. So it's a perfect tea drink for me and for you and for all humanity. Yes, and it can also boost your immune system. So it's available in DXN service centers and DXN branches and available din sa amin.
Pwede nyo pong i-screenshot at paki-mine na lang po. Mine or screenshot and send us your PM if you're gonna buy it from us.
Yes, sige na, i-screenshot yun na.
What else is possible? Paki-mine na lang po. Hello, Jabez. Jabez is currently watching us.
And yes, hello, Jabez. Sige, ikaw na naman, Shifu.
So ako, my favorite naman, for the day is kanina I shared on my Facebook on my Facebook wall, on my personal Facebook wall about the Myco Veggie. So ito yung current favorite ko. So it's currently not in the Philippines but it's coming. So ano siya, parating na siya. So this one comes in sachet, the one in the box. But I think for the Philippine market, it's not gonna be on this. It's gonna be this one, the big one. Ito yung diretso powder na siya. So what is Myco Veggie? If you're someone who wants to have a gentle detox for the tummy, yung ito kasi siya it becomes jelly, right? Kasi meron siyang psyllium husk. So if you're on a fiber diet, ito yung maganda. Kasi number one, meron din siyang it has, ang dami niyang ingredients na maganda. So it has, psyllium husk, it has celery, mulberry leaf, noni leaf, ginkgo leaf, may ginger, lemongrass, shiitake mushroom, Liphyllum mushroom, St. George's mushroom, lion's mane mushroom, elm oyster mushroom, gray oyster mushroom, split gill mushroom. Meron din siyang sweet corn, orange, spirulina, green tea, and Pericardium citrireticulae. I think this is something related to spike. I don't know. And then there is cinnamon and star anise and clove. So, oh my gosh, it has like everything.
It has cinnamon.
It has cinnamon, yes. It's my best friend now. I can smell the cinnamon, but it's okay. It's tolerable.
So it has anise, it has clove, it has cinnamon. It's antibacterial.
Yeah, so true. It's perfect for, the COVID. Like if you wanna make your body super, like your immune system is boosted, and at the same time you get detoxified, like your yung intestines mo mismo. So if you want to take care of your gut health, and a lot of people take our gut for granted, diba? You take your intuition for granted. You take your gut for granted. And literally, you take your gut for granted in your body. So it's one way of making your body, or thanking your body by giving it with a wonderful food source. So it has everything. Parang it's like all in one.
So you can have it as your meal for the day. Kasi
Yes.
it sounds as, mushrooms. They're all heavy. It has oyster and it has shiitake mushroom.
So
Yum, yum.
true. Pwede na siyang meal for the day. It can be, if you have like cereal, your spirulina cereal, it can also match with the spirulina cereal. But it's awesome to break your fast. Meaning, when you wake up, diba, it's like when you're sleeping kasi, you're like, in a way, your body is on fast mode. Diba? Naka-fasting siya. Hindi ka kumakain during the time that you were sleeping. So, your body, your stomach has the ability to rest. Parang has that luxury to rest. And then once you wake up, you can actually have this as your first meal for the day. So it's really awesome. And it's wonderful kasi hindi siya, unlike other mga detox, yung iba kasi i-induce kanila na mag-poo. Alam mo yun, you have to go to the bathroom many times. This one is not like that. It doesn't have that crazy experience na you have to leave, like hindi ka dapat magtrabaho ng 5 days kasi you're on a detox. No, it's very gentle and natural. As always, our company loves natural approach. So hindi kanya ifo-force. No forcing there. So it's awesome and an awesome match for your lemon gin.
How does it taste like? Is it sweet? Does it have a sweetened?
Actually, it doesn't. Wala siyang taste. If it's standalone, it doesn't have any taste. Surprisingly, wala siyang taste. But it smells green. So, alam mo yon, yung amoy ng cinnamon, amoy ng mga, alam mo na gulay, alam mo siya gulay siya. So it smells green. So that's
ano siya, amoy sagbot.
Amoy sagbot. Yeah, amoy dahon. Kasi nga, meron siyang mga celery. It has celery leaf, noni leaf, ginkgo leaf. I mean, my gosh, ginkgo is so awesome. If you research all the ingredients in this myco-veggie, it's like everything. If you have children that doesn't like to eat vegetables, eto yon. Yung mga adults din na ayaw ng vegetables, eto din yun sa inyo.
True. It's wonderful. So I saw in your post that you used cordy pine.
Yes. So you can mix fermented juices with this because that's why it doesn't have any taste. It's like bland, but it smells green.
So will it taste good with lemon tea?
I think so. I'll try. I haven't tried that. Ang tinry ko pa lang yung mga fermented juice natin. Number 1 is with cordy pine. I like it with cordy pine. So medyo parang I'm drinking like cider, like vinegar. So it's okay. I like it because parang feeling ko namamatay lahat yung mga bacteria na hindi maganda sa katawan ko. So, and of course, the wonderful thing then, sabi din ni Miss Amy of Boulder Valley, because I asked her also the suggestion, and sabi niya maganda din daw is i-mix siya with roselle juice. So if you really like it with a sweet taste, so roselle is a good one.
And if you don't have, or if you prefer also honey, you can also
yes. Yes, or if you don't have cordy pine, you can do apple cider vinegar if you have it at home. So there's really no kasi maganda siya sa fermented. Kasi ito kasi good for the gut. So what's good for the gut is usually fermented products, and it's awesome that we supply our body with the enzymes that it needs to, our gut is very important. GU, yan po talaga, very important po ang ating gut. So yon, and I can't wait to try this with all of you, the Foxes and the Fox Tribe. In the future, we will have this. So yeah, we'll have this as one of our go-to meals, diba? Go-to, yun.
Or one of those people who doesn't really like cinnamon, and that's the only product that made you eat and drink Cinnamon.
Yes. Oo nga. Oo nga. Ito nga yung parang naging best friend ko na si Cinnamon, and my mom is very happy. She would, annoy, hindi naman, she would tell me, oh, that has cinnamon. Sabi ko, okay lang. But because I like the other ingredients inside. Like, it has so much. So, yeah, what else is possible? Like, it's really the food for the future. Like, everything.
So, exactly. Live with, you can just live a day with it alone, no?
Yeah. I-try nga natin siya with lemon tea kaya, no? So, also Miss Amy told me that when you mix this, wag mo antayin na mag-jelly siya kasi mag-jelly siya eh. Pag matagal mo siyang i-consume, like you always stir it, once you place the lukewarm water, automatically just stir it and then drink it up. Pero what Darlene noticed, sabi niya, mas maganda daw, mauna daw talaga yung myco veggie, and then lagyan mo kaagad ng cordy pine at saka roselle bago lagyan ng tubig. Kasi kung tubig yung mauna, nagka-clump siya. But if you place the cordy pine, it won't clump. So hindi mo masyadong maano, diretso lang siya, magkaano siya. And then sa tummy mo na siya mag-jelly, because the jelly will be the one that will induce you to make you, eliminate the waste. Diba? Para social, eliminate the waste. Para ikaw ay
yes. Sige, matry nga. Can't wait to try that. So, all awesome products have already arrived, or no, not have already, but are slowly arriving to our country. So how does it get any better than that? We already had the Korean cosmetics, Korean beauty products. We just launched last week, and it was awesome. We waited for like 3 years for those. I remember that.
And you're using the Gempury mask, right?
Yeah, I just used
that kami nagja-Gempury or the M Miracle set. So if you haven't bought yours, you don't really have to buy the set right away. You start with the mask you start with a mask, or if not with a mask, start with a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Or if you have the mga existing na cleanser, toner, and moisturizer, just do also with the oils, and then use our other, skincare series kasi meron pa tayong aloe vera and Ganoshi E-series. So they're all awesome natural products. And yes, yeah, what else is possible? Ayun. So,
true, and get any better than that. So Tina, what else are we gonna talk about tonight?
So tonight, we will also be sharing with you our $1 one child program. Tama ba? With Datuk Dr. Lim Shojin. So we are encouraging everybody to sign up now for the $1 one child program. Last week, August 13, I was able to get a message that through Ate Arian, via the DXN management, na pwede pala, kasi akala namin sa form, we thought it's gonna be on, you have to fill up on the form and then have it sent to the head office and then sila yung mag-i-input. But pwede pala, the wonderful thing is we're really advancing in everything in technology. So I'm gonna show you, I'm just, para hindi tayo masyadong I'm gonna show you, okay. So I'm sharing my screen now. Tama ba? Can you see it? Can it be seen? How does it look like? Okay, so I'm gonna show you where you need to go for your $1 one child. Ang tawag yan? $1 one child. If you want to donate via bonus deduction, as a minimum natin na amount is 52 pesos. So what is this $1 one child program? So later ko na siya ipapakita. What is this $1 one child program? This is the program where Dr. Lim asked us to support us to feed a million children with spirulina. So for the past years, Dr. Lim has been supporting IMSAM for the past 10 years, I think. And they have fed at least over around 700,000 children by feeding the malnourished children, by feeding them daily with spirulina. So ngayon naman, yung goal ni Dr. Lim is to reach 1 million children, malnourished children. And that malnourished children, bigyan natin din sila ng spirulina. So they did a costing that one child needs $1 a month. Tama ba yun? $1 a month to feed one child. So one child has like a budget of that. So minimum tayo ng 52 pesos. Ayun. So, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? So, ano pa ba? So, kasi di ba ngayong panahon na ito, we are advancing in technology, but still we haven't solved the problem of eradicating malnourishment. Malnourished. I mean, you know, even as simple as food, if we cannot fix that, what kind of society are we? So if you want to be a part of a wonderful movement, you can just a minimum of 52 pesos. So of course, kung hindi pa that so much yung ating di ba, part naman ng ating Fox Tribe program, meron tayong tithing to yourself and tithing to the world, in a sense that you know, this is the charity part, like or your contribution to the world. Meron tayong 10%. So maybe you can spare at least the 10% for you. What else is possible, no? And so I'm going to show you. Yes, Shanyor.
Yes. It will be deducted naman from your monthly bonus or e-bonus, diba? So it's that big.
So automatic siya madededuct sa inyong bonus every month. So from August to December yung ating deduction kasi we just found out that, I mean, just this August natin nalaman na meron palang ganitong function. So here it is. All you need to do is log into your eWorlds. I'm going to show you the eWorld. And this is the eWorld, and then there is the ODOC deduct authorization, and just click this one. So I hope it's gonna launch kasi kanina ko pa to na-log in, so baka na-log out pala ako. So just click this one, and yeah, mahina ang aking internet, it's not clicking. Okay, what else is possible today? Ayan. Hindi siya nag-click, no, Shanyor?
dxnpu.com.
Yeah, this is the one already. Maybe I got logged out. So here it is, and ODOC deduct authorization. Why it won't show? Maybe my internet is just so weak. Ayun. So this one, you will see, wala tayong ODOC here in the Philippines for July because we just learned about this just this August. So you can have it here, submission, like kung magkano yung gusto mong ilalagay. So I placed here just, yeah. So until December, and meron tayong terms and condition. This bonus deduction option is open and available to all DXN distributors who wish to participate in the ODOC campaign. Wala tayong limit sa bonus deduction. As much as you want to give and contribute, there's no limit, but the minimum is 52 pesos, okay? 52. So, yan. Should the bonus entitlement in any particular month be lesser than the amount to be deducted as authorized by the distributor, the company reserves the right to deduct the full bonus amount entitled in that particular bonus month for this campaign. So distributors shall receive an e-voucher with equivalent value upon each successful monthly bonus deduction. So meron kang e-voucher. So you have like a proof that you have given your a part of your bonus to support the campaign of Dr. Lim. So if you are a senior practitioner, this is part of our contribution or doing our duty. Diba? So what else is possible? Yeah. So hindi tayo palakihan dito ng ibibigay ha. Any amount will do. Okay? It's the thought that counts, and wala tayong the big or whatever. There's nothing in that. Yes.
Commitment.
Yes. That's your commitment to support the campaign. Like it makes you feel awesome to be a part of this campaign, no? Na as simple as that, not anybody with the 52 pesos every month can actually give. And diba, meron naman talaga tayong every time that you give. So whenever you give, it automatically you receive the happiness. The happiness that you're changing the world. Yes, please.
Yes, I am. So 52 pesos is the minimum amount that can donate. So they can donate more.
They can donate more. Yes, they can donate 100, 2,000, 1,000, 10,000, whatever that is fun and light for you to give. Always give that is always fun and light for you. Not yung, hala kasi nagbigay siya ng ano, ako din dapat magbigay ng ganyan. Wag po tayong ganun.
Exactly. So, yes, and if you are not happy with the amount that you are going to give, then you just ask your truth. What's fun for you?
Yes, because so true.
You cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot give that which you have.
Yon, diba? So you cannot give that you cannot have, what you don't have. Thank you for that reminder, Shenure. And yes, as part of our drive and promotion in promoting Sunya, this is our giving back. This is when you do the practice, you go back and fulfill your duty. What does the world needs from us? Or ano yung kailangan na ipofulfill natin sa society that is lacking, that nobody is fixing or nobody is talking about it. And one of that is malnourished children. We are in the 21st century. People have sent, we have sent people to Mars and the moon, but still wala pa tayong solution to give. I mean, we don't have solution for people that are starving. That is crazy. So let's do our part, and what else is possible? So yun ang ating ginagawa ngayon. And for more information, we also suggest that you also reach your contact your uplines or the DXN management for the details of this. We're just like sharing to you the possibilities of promoting the ODOC to your team and to your group. And the more of us gives, the more of us, enjoys, and the world is a better place. There's more peace and prosperity. It's us, as Sunya practitioner, as a DXN member, we are doing our duty to support and contribute, diba? So, ang maganda lang nito is, diba, minsan pag nagbibigay ka in other groups, like, you have to really start from scratch. At least this time, we have a system that Dr. Lin takes care of the spirulina. And nasa atin na kasi yung farm and all of that. So it makes everything easy. How much fun can we have if we contribute together? And how much,
Yeah, so what does the earth require of us? So this is also one of the things that Dr. Lim always mentions. Now, giving is a key. And also, we have also talked about this yesterday in our Sunya talks, that poverty will not bring peace to the world. So what is the reason for that?
Diba? Sinabi ni Dr. Lim, kaya tayo kasi nasabi nila, ba't sila they talk about money, they talk about this and that? Because why not? Ano ba dapat pag-usapan? We talk about making money because with money, you can contribute more. And some people will defend, like, money makes you evil. No, it depends on the person. One of the reminders that our mom always say, Naineng, the Fox Empress, the mother of everybody in the or in our team, the mother of everybody. She always reminds us that the greatest test is ang greatest test hindi yung wala kang pera. The greatest test is actually having money. Having so much money. The greatest test is becoming a billionaire. And what are you gonna do if you are a billionaire? And some people will say that what if that person becomes a billionaire? That person will change. Money will change. No, money will never change a person. It will only reveal that money will reveal what is already in your heart. So it's not the fault of money. Again, money is not the problem. Anong kasunod, Zai? Sino ang may problema? Ikaw ang may problema. So, ang pandemic, hindi po siya ang problema. Bago po sa pandemic, meron ka na pong problema na enhance lang po siya.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So yeah, and also let's also try to look at the things that money contribute to us. So it's
Yeah.
not really money, but how great you are, like
Yeah.
how great feel you are. You know, the contribution that you do with or without money. But which do you like most? Having money or having no money at all?
Oo. Asan yung mas maganda? Yung may pera ka o walang pera? Tapos ito pang mas matindi. Alin ang mas masarap? Pera o drama?
Charot! Doon tayo sa pera, cheer! Ano ba
So guys,
naman?
wag tayo magdrama. So there are a lot of people, I know, it's okay to feel your emotions once it happens, like right away during March, April, COVID, nag-strike yung COVID. It's okay to be sad and be crazy, parang hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo. That's okay. That's a good space. But if you are stuck for 6 months, that is not a good space. You need to find a group. You need to find people who you can talk to and process those things. Okay, so if you like, you can join us sa Fox Tribe.
Exactly. So you can just send us a message. I just want to, because we talked about Dr. Lim and the IMSAM and everything. Of course, we're in the. So Dr. Lim once said, once mentioned in one of our Sunya Sundays that when we practice Sunya, we don't do too much planning. So we don't do too much planning, but opportunities arise. So this is the law of cause and effect. This is what happens when we practice Sunya. So market without marketing.
So true. Hindi tayo nagpaplano. Meron lang tayong idea na ito yung gagawin natin, pero hindi natin alam anong mangyayari sa gagawin natin. So, yun yung mga ginagawa. Also, yan yung ginagawa namin sa Fox Tribe. So you can see us destroying and uncreating projects. Like we launch something, and then if we see that it doesn't work, we take it out, or we adjust it, or modify it, or move it somewhere else. So something like that. So in business, it's also like that. Your strategies and how you implement things. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So don't do things over and over again, expecting different results. If it's not working, it's not gonna work. Okay? So it doesn't mean it didn't work, nag-fail ka na or mali ka na. But for Dr. Lim, diba, sabi naman niya that we are trained as a Sunya practitioner, we are trained to face failures. And we're okay with that. And yesterday was a funny it wasn't failure for me because hindi siya talaga failure, pero of course it wasn't perfect. It wasn't perfect. I mean, people could say that it could work better and this and that, but yes, at least we did it. At least we didn't say, we cannot do that if we haven't tried it. So the same thing always in our DXN business. Pag sabihin mo, di talaga ako magiging crown ambassador. Bakit? Na-try mo na ba mag-crown ambassador?
Oo, wag ka lang magalit.
I'm gonna be mad. Charot lang. Pero di ba? You cannot say that you cannot be one if you haven't been one.
True.
So yon. So gawin natin.
Possible.
What else is possible? What else is possible?
What else possible?
Yeah.
So, being said that. Okay. Yeah, we just say the question, and of course, if you have this goal of becoming a crown ambassador, then start now.
So true. Start now.
Act like a crown ambassador.
Be one and consume like a crown ambassador.
Exactly. Consume like a crown ambassador.
Use the products, be the product of the product. It's what we always say. Before we sell, we use the product. It's the USB ng DXN. Use, share, and build. It's very common. It's very basic.
So, and yeah, you just try out some, just be open to possibilities, just be open to flexibilities. So you can just you can market your DXN products, yes, you can make your team bigger, you can build it bigger just by being yourself.
Yes, so true. So we would, diba, by being you, you don't really need to lose yourself or discount yourself by doing this business. So some people, they think they should be another person when they're doing DXN. No, the wonderful thing about DXN is that you have the awesome possibilities of marketing it your own way. Walang sinet si Dr. Lim na dapat ganito mo i-promote ang DXN. Wala siyang ganun. So you promote it your own way, whether you're promoting it via health, or you're promoting it purely as wealth, or you're promoting it as wellness or a lifestyle, or you're promoting it holistically kasama yung sunya. So wala po siyang na dapat lahat gawin mo. Wala siyang ganun. So what is fun and light for you? So ayun lang. Yun po ang ating mga Monday reminders.
Yes. And yeah, keep on trying, reset every day. Never give up on you. And yeah, what if you couldn't fail?
So true. Thank you for that wonderful question, Zai. What if you could not fail here in DXN? So yeah, what if you could not fail? That is a really lovely question. If you have some targets and everything. So we'd like to say hello to all our viewers. Hello to Miss Mean Pausal. Thank you for always watching us. And tapos na daw si Miss Mean in doing her ODOC. Well, congratulations. What else is
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Mian.
And then we have Mr. Jerwin Moranta. Hello there. And of course, our awesome mga guwapa and mga guwapo sa Zamboanga City, no? Si Tita Tata Atelano. And of course, our awesome power couple, the Roas, Miss Tita Merlinda and Tito Arman. Ayan. So, thank you so much for always watching us, and Ate Olive, Ate Arian, and everybody in our household, and the Chans.
Yes, and Naineng is also watching.
Yes, of course. Hello, Mama. They're just upstairs. Don't know if they have eaten. Kasi nag-live pa ko dire. So, what else is possible, and how does it get any better than this?
So we will see you later at 10 p.m. at Midnight Unicorn. Please follow Mystic Angels.
Yeah.
Aside from, we have also Mystic Angels. So we will be there at 10 p.m. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And please just follow Fox Tribe and drink your Lingxi. Bye-bye. I'm Zai.
I'm Tina, and see you for the next Zero Fox Given Monday. See ya. Blessings and love and light and peace and prosperity.